Hi, and welcome to the second video in our Octopus 101 series. Today we will take a quick tour of the dashboard, where you will find your projects, key settings, and useful stats. Once you log in, you see this dashboard. First things first, from here you can switch your personal space to team space and vice versa. You have your dashboard, you have archive, we'll cover that in a second, and useful stats like how many projects you have, how many members if you're a member of a team, and how much storage is used, and link to your plan and billing. The center space is all about your projects. There are previews that help you locate the project you need. There are a bunch of actions like duplicate, update preview, move to the different space like a team space, transfer to another user, archive project, or delete project. You can reorder your projects, you can change the layout from slides to list, and in the top right you have your avatar, and from here you can access your account details where you can change some settings like notifications. By the way, subscribe to our product updates. We don't send them very frequently, but they're quite useful ones. Your subscription page, if you have a paid plan, you will see your next invoice details and the link to Stripe, where you have your billing information, or you can switch plan by clicking this button here. Finally, we see these 4 buttons here. These are the ways to create your projects, and see the next video for details. And that's your dashboard overview. Let's jump into creating project next.